यो यो हनी सिंह नाल दिलजीत एक बार फिर आपा खिंचिया संगीत we're gonna talk about संगीत today. If तुम लोग मुझे जानते हो, then you guys know that I like music. Music is one of the oldest art forms and almost everyone from your papa to उनके पापा music सुनते थे. And मैं music सुनता हूँ even though my taste is very cliche. Whether it's illegally downloading 120 kbps MP3 songs from songs.pk, yeah, transferring songs via Bluetooth to your old lava phone, yeah, texting this number for a hello tune in Nokia 1100 or downloading fancy flax, Uwu Crimson, सबको music पसंद है. And more than that, especially Indian music पसंद है. India, of course not the one we know now, का music is one of the oldest in human history. बहुत पुरानी 30,000 साल पुरानी चीजें have been found that show this. Old Stone Age के time की cave paintings in Madhya Pradesh show drums, harps and other music instruments. New Stone Age के समय की musical instruments in the form of sculptures have been found in Bhubaneswar. It's amazing. Even उसके बाद
Indus Valley Civilization
में there are sculptures and paintings of people playing music and dancing. It's amazing. It's way ahead of its time. It's 808s and heartbreaks. And we're gonna look into that history today. So sit back and grab some Maggie or some Siddu and let's talk some music.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be.
The year is around 1500 to 800 BCE, also known as the Ancient Era or the Vedic period, जब maximum वेद बने थे. And उस time पर in texts we have references to art, plays and music. और इसके साथ ही we have texts like Samved, full of melodies, chants, hymns. It's all music and even the first rag can be traced down to Samved. ये trend बाकी texts में भी है. For example, throughout वाल्मीकि जी की रामायण and वेद व्यास जी की महाभारत, बहुत references है to music and dance by apsaras. Instruments like veena, shankh, rag, it's all present there. And while ये चीजें हमें बहुत छोटी सी लगती है now that we know Playboy Carti, but we have to realize कि it's something that was practically unknown उस time पर. किसी को पता नहीं था what are plays, what is music, what are octaves. Well, everyone except for our Indian ancestors. Ancient India kept thriving in music और सबसे influential and definitive चीजें बनी उस time पर. Famous saint और point जयदेव, संगदेव ने भी अपने works बनाए and also coincidentally around this time a very famous work अंतर्राष्ट्रीय ग्रामीण by Shri Shri Haridesh Singh was also released, which dealt with issues like drug addiction, gun violence and racial discrimination. Yeah, it was good. इसके बाद आया medieval era. Around this time, Indian music का big change हुआ due to the Muslim invasion. इस वजह से music दो चीजों में divide हो गया. Hindustani and Carnatic music. I really wanted to call it Carti music, but I thought ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. 14th century CE के वक्त they started diverging and Persian influence changed Indian music. Carnatic music became more lyrics oriented while Hindustani music emphasized on the musical structure. Despite diverging, दोनों art forms flourished, making amazing works while folk regional elements को अपने art में डालते हुए. And इसके साथ एक दूसरे को influence करते हुए. And while this went on for a long time, like everything, it started to fade away eventually and then came the next era.
Everything. I mean, in fact, you can express all your passion, all your feelings that are within you. But it is abstract, as you said yourself. Writing, you can read it, it is in black and white. Painting is also. But this is just air or, just sound.
The year is around 1945. Amazing people like Padma Vibhushan winner Gangubai and Ravi Shankar put out their work, like the famous Music of India. Music is slowly becoming more accessible and देशों ने बंद कर दिया है मजे के लिए nuke करना. So it's all cool and it means global collaboration. Indian artists took different art forms and incorporated into their music, or vice versa. There are numerous Bollywood samples that went into foreign music and yeah, let's look at some of them. जिगा का बिवेयर ऑफ द बॉयज सैम्पलिंग पंजाबी एमसी का मुंडिया तो बच के रही विच यू नो आई लव अ लॉट.
Drop, we got the streets locked overseas, a Punjabi MC in the rock. I came to see the mind.
Eric Sermon का रिएक्ट which samples चांदी का बदन from the movie ताज महल.
किसी को खुदकुशी का शौक हो तो क्या करे कोई, किसी को खुदकुशी का शौक हो तो क्या करे कोई.
The Bounce by Jay-Z from the Blueprint 2 album sampling छोली के पीछे क्या है and it features Kanye. What else do you want?
Bounce, I show you how to get this dough in large amounts so it's hard to count.
Mobb Deep का Give It To Me sampling याद तुझे ना मेरी आई by उदित नारायण, अलका याग्निक, मनप्रीत अख्तर. MIA का Jimmy sampling Jimmy 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 by पार्वती खान and it's just मेरी assignment copy कर ले but थोड़ा सा change कर लियो भाई please. Black Eyed Peas का Don't Funk With My Heart which samples ए नौजवान है सब कुछ यहाँ by आशा भोसले and it sounds very nice.
नौजवान है सब कुछ यहाँ.
Britney Spears का Toxic of course which samples लता मंगेशकर का तेरे मेरे बीच में and it's a banger. जीजा की लेजेंडरी एल्बम लिक्विड स्वॉर्ड्स का फोर्थ चेंबर सैंपल धर्मात्मा का थीम म्यूजिक बाय कल्याण जी आनंद जी. It has Ghostface Killah. What else do you need from a song, bro? What do you need? And of course, one of my favorite albums, MF Doom की Mad Villainy का Do Not Fire. Point being, amazing music was being made where it continued for a long time. But eventually, the amount of good artists decreased. Around the 1990s, pop music बहुत बड़ा था. Adnan Shami, Daler Mehndi, they were topping the charts. And also, a fun fact about Daler Mehndi, right? In his famous Tunak Tunak Tun, right? So, us time पर he was getting criticized for having like hot girls in his videos. Everyone was like, कि भाई तू famous है, you are getting views on your videos and all that. Not views, but like तू तेरे गाने चल रहे हैं because you have hot girls in your videos. So you know what he did? He recorded a video where he just cloned himself. He danced with himself, guys, and you know, like that's inspiration right there. But now, sadly, we have gotten to a point where we have two good songs after 400 bure songs. Majority of the songs are remixes of old Hindi songs or Punjabi songs or a combination of both because, you know, why not? There are still some very good artists, but it doesn't help but make you a little sad. Yeah. That being said, thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, then like it. If you disliked it, then dislike it. You know the routine. This is Satyam here, Human Tea Man. Also, I would like to thank the members Robin FTW and Rohan Singh, aka Longbone. Thank you for the membership, guys. I love you. Stay safe, ठीक है? बाहर मत निकलो. Okay?
I miss the old Kanye, straight from the gold.